Here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Today, October the 9th, and we have a lot of things to talk. Today, a short video, but a very important video, guys. I will show you something really special. Let's go. This is the 5-minute tube update for Bitcoin. System activated. So let's start. Here is CoinMarketCap. What's going on with our top 3 coins? Bitcoin is going up really nice, 1.5%. And in the week, 14.8%. Really nice. Ethereum is going up a little bit. On the week, 6%. Yes, but today it's going sideways or a little bit down, 0.2%. ADA Cardano is going up a little bit, 2.6%, and in the week only 0.3%. So for the moment, it's better to trade Bitcoin as Ethereum or ADA. So guys, let's just check. Let's check the next things. What is the biggest winner in 24 hours? It's Clayton. Clayton is climbing 58% in the plus in 24 hours, 106% in 7 days. Extreme. BitTorrent is going up with 14.08%, and Stacks is going up with 13.3%. The biggest loser in 24 hours is Harmony One, 9% in the minus. Arweave is going down 6%, and Solana is going down with 5%. On 7 days, the biggest winner is Shiba Inu. Look at this, 242% in the plus. Nice. Clayton is going up 106%, and Phantom is growing with 53%. So, what coin is the biggest loser in 7 days? Wah, 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 wah. This is Avalanche. Avalanche is going down 13%. Ren is going down 11.8%. And eCash is going down 11.15%. So let's check this. What's going on? What is the direction? What is telling us Tradingfees with the technical analysis on the daily? We should buy and strong buy Bitcoin on the 4 hours. Buy Bitcoin 2 hours. Buy Bitcoin. Oscillators are on sell. And the 1 hour is telling us we should buy strong buy Bitcoin. So most things are telling us we should buy Bitcoin. Very important. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice, guys. So the next thing, guys, I found something really nice here. This is a 4 hour time frame, and these are the candlestick patterns. And you can see here we have a 3 outside up. This is a bullish pattern, 3 outside up bullish pattern with a high reliability. You see we are going sideways here a little bit, and with this 3 outside up we have now a bullish pattern. That means we should go on here to the moon for the moment. Let's check the next thing, and guys, we can make it really short, but this is really important now. This is the 4 hour time frame. Our big problem for the moment is the middle line. I told you this on my yesterday video. Please watch it. If you did not see it now, please watch it. It's really important. And now the big problem, middle line. The middle line for the moment is a price about 55,500. Is the big resistance, and you can see we are forming a diamond pattern. It's not a perfect, beautiful diamond, but it is a diamond pattern. And you can see if we break out to the upside the diamond pattern, we have these targets to watch, guys. We have 55,000, the middle line. That's the first big resistance if we break our green line here. The next thing is our Fibonacci, 0.786 at 57,170. And the technical target for this diamond pattern is 58,000, guys. If we will break down here to the downside, depends always where, okay? But guys, if we will break down the next big support or the next target, if you are shorting this breakout to the downside, 51,100, this is the next 0.618 Fibonacci line. This is our big support. So these are the next targets. Maybe not today, but I think it's possible to see a breakout to the downside. Maybe more tomorrow, Sunday, bloody Sunday, 51,000 again, or we can break up from here. I think everything is telling us we are extreme bullish, guys. Here, a nearly same situation, and we broke out to the upside. You can see it here. Here, a nearly same situation, we broke out to the upside. So for the moment, everything is telling us we are breaking out again and more. The trend is our friend, and we need to watch this, guys. Let me check the next thing before we start, before we end this video. This is our nice parallel channel, and this is now the important stuff also. We are in this uptrend. So if we lose this uptrend to the downside with a confirmed closing candle, this is the next bearish thing, guys. So you have more things to watch. Can we stay in this parallel channel to the upside, or will we lose this uptrend? So we will lose this fight with the diamond pattern, and maybe we see a little down going Bitcoin to 51,000. You see it here. It's a really important thing to watch at the Fibonacci retracements, because they are working 100%. Look at the fight here, the Fibonacci. Look at this spike here, the Fibonacci. Guys, they are working so nice. Use these Fibonacci retracements. They are helping you as a trader to find support and resistance lines, guys. So this is it, a 5-minute tube update for today. Very short, but you need what you need to know, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Guys, thank you for your support. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your thumbs up. Please help me. I would like to have 1,000 thumbs up. My last video had 4 thumbs up, so I need 996 thumbs for 1,000. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice time. Greetings. Yours Biti, your Bitcoin trading information. Very important. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. Bye, guys.